Hi, I'm Paddy Taylor from AutoCue. Hopefully you already know a little bit about the AutoCue production suite, and I'm just going to take a few more minutes of your time to give you a more in-depth view of the product and all the different things that it can do. The idea of the AutoCue production suite is the only product on the market that brings all the different facets of both a live and pre-recorded TV channel together. The idea now is to take you through those different individual elements. AutoCue has been synonymous with teleprompters for over 50 years. We've also been producing newsroom, automation and various other products for 20, 25 years plus. And the idea here is to bring those different elements together. So if we think about it in terms of the flow of the production, on the left hand side here, the screen you're currently looking at, we have our automation system and our newsroom. The newsroom is the starting point of all of your production. It's where you write your scripts, it's where you bring your content together, it's where you create assignments, it's where you commission programs. In this configuration, I've got a simple running order. This running order is all the different events that are going to take place in my live show. If I double click any of these events, behind them will be a series of columns, and those columns principally will be used for creating your script output, the content that's going to go on the teleprompter. What's great though about the AutoCue production system is it's a multi-column scripting. So within that, I can have columns for stage direction, sound, floor management. In this case, I've got automation events, in this instance, graphics. So those graphics can be placed within a script so that whoever's operating the CG elements has got timings against the content that's being read out by the presenter. As well as that, you're also able to create direct automation events, scripting-led automation. The system is configured very simply to enable pretty much anyone to operate the vision mixing capability. I have my program bus across the top, my preview bus below it. I'm able to select any item and I take something immediately on air by clicking on it, or I can use the preview controls to apply a transition, either a cut or a number of transitions that are available, and simply do a fade or a wipe or another type of transition between those two events. Beneath these controls, and these controls are selectable, so you can edit them to reflect your workflow. Here I've got simple audio mixing capability. In this case, I haven't got a huge number of audio inputs, but I'm able to select the audio associated with those events, bars and tone, my mics, Apple TV, any other sources. And I can also select that when I select to take a particular element, it automatically unmutes it. So if I had a microphone associated with a camera or with a player, an audio track associated with a player, then when I select that item, it would automatically unmute if the unmute button was selected. Beneath this, I have my CG events. The CG events are loaded from my newsroom rundown, so I can take my next event and it will give me a preview of the current event and then the next event that's currently going live. I'll take the next again, you'll find that the object matrix graphic has moved to the right, and I've got a new preview event that's been selected here on the left. Beneath that, I've got my video mix supports. My video mix supports are where I play my video clips. So this operation here, for my graphics, is entirely separate to my video functions, meaning that I can control those two elements separately, or I can link the events together. So here, I've got the options of playing a clip with sound on tape, just as a voiceover. I can preview a clip, which means it obviously doesn't go to air. I've got a pause and resume button, and I've also got the ability to automatically load the next clip when I finish playing a clip. So with the vision mixing control here, as I move between cameras, so at the moment I'm playing out camera 2, if I select camera 1 and take, as I do that, we've also got a tally system built in. So as well as the teleprompting capability and the ability to take the script out to the teleprompter, as I move between my different camera events using the vision mixing capability, it's able to send a tally control signal, which will enable the tally light, so the presenter knows which camera's live. Again, all linked into the same system. So the simplicity of the system enables you to choose the output channel and your preview. Here I'm on my Apple TV. I'm going to select camera 2, and then I simply use the take button. And this will just apply a short cross dissolve between the two camera inputs giving me a live Vision Mix output. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through the website or email us at sales@autocue.com.